Welcome to episode number 5 of our JEE Main series. We have been given 2 statements and 1 massive trap. Most students will see this and immediately start a 10-minute expansion journey. That is trap number 1. Here statement 1 looks like a complex Prigo identity, but it's actually a simple cancellation game. And statement 2, we aren't going to expand that polynomial. We are going to use the power of x equal to 0 to kill the complexity. So let's kill this problem in under 5 minutes. We have been given these 2 statements. This is a battle of determinants going on. Let's focus on statement 1 first. If we expand the left hand side determinant, and using the first row, we are going to expand the determinant. So first we will get 1 into 1 minus cos square gamma minus cos alpha into cos alpha minus cos gamma cos beta and plus cos beta into cos alpha cos gamma minus cos beta. So upon simplifying a bit, we get 1 minus cos square gamma. Now cos alpha being multiplied, take care of the minus sign. So we have minus cos square alpha plus cos alpha cos beta cos gamma, and the last term gives us cos alpha cos beta cos gamma minus cos square beta. So only the middle 2 term gets added. So we get 1 minus cos square alpha cos square beta cos square gamma plus 2 cos alpha cos beta cos gamma. Now let's look at the determinant on the right hand side. We will expand it using the first row once again. So first is 0, and then we have minus cos alpha into 0 minus cos beta cos gamma, because 0 into cos alpha is 0. Then plus cos beta into cos alpha cos gamma minus 0 into cos beta, that is again 0. So multiplying it, we get cos alpha cos beta cos gamma plus cos alpha cos beta cos gamma, which gives me 2 cos alpha cos beta cos gamma. Now it's given in the problem that these 2 determinants are equal. So equating these 2 determinants, we have this. So 2 cos alpha cos beta cos gamma gets cancelled from both sides. So we get cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equals to 1. But the statement says that the sum is 3 by 2, which means statement 1 is false. Now let's look at statement 2. The problem says this determinant is equal to px plus q. So we need p and q, and the fastest way to find p is to put x equal to 0. So we get this, which makes the RHS just q, and the LHS, if we expand using the first row, we get this. Then upon solving, we have our constant q. Now for p, you could put x equal to 1, but look at that first row again. X square plus x plus 1 and x minus 2. So if we put x equals to minus 1, something magical happens. Minus 1 makes the first 2 elements 0. So now our expansion is just one single step. On the RHS, we get minus p plus q. Now since we already know q from our first step, finding p becomes effortless. So no messy algebra, just smart substitution. I've expanded this obviously using the first row, and that gives me p equals to 24. And now for the final trap. Statement 2 asks us to check an identity. We end up with LHS, which is 24 square, that is 576. And on the RHS, we have 196 into 144. Now do not multiply that. 196 is nearly 200 and 144 is over 100. So their product is clearly over 20,000. So does 576 equal 20,000? Obviously not. So this statement is false. Don't be a calculator, be a thinker. So we have checked both the statements, statement 1 as well as 2, and our correct choice is option D, both are false. Remember, in JEE, the comfortable path is usually the one where you do the least amount of actual math. If you loved this shortcut, hit subscribe and let's tackle question 6 in the next video.